my name is Luke Skywalker, and I'm here with my friend Chewbacca. Today, our lesson is on the court case of Roe versus Wade. Now, before we start, there are many more cases that take precedent over Roe v. Wade. Isn't that right, Chewbacca? That's right, Chewie. Eisenstadt versus Bard and Griswold versus Connecticut did influence the case, as well as Olmsted versus the U.S., Mapp versus Ohio, and Poe versus Ullman. Our story starts with a woman named Jane Roe, the alias of Norman McCorvey, a pregnant woman for the less fortunate standards of society. Also, we have a young and vibrant attorney named Sarah Weddington, who wants to influence the lives of women. Roe wanted an abortion, but could not receive one due to the laws in Texas at the time, which stated abortion could only be necessary when it influenced a mother's livelihood. To help Roe, as well as help herself, Weddington and her partner, Linda Coffey, worked around the clock to formulate two cases, one with Roe and one with another married couple named John and Mary Doe. The Does were used so that the court could not try to blame Roe's possible promiscuous lifestyle as a reason for her unwanted pregnancy. In the Fifth Circuit Court of Texas, Weddington and Coffey argued against John Toll, J. Floyd, and Robert Flowers of the constitutionality of the Texas law.
We believe the Ninth Amendment protects a woman's right to her own body.
So do I, but it's still illegal.
What?
Due to that crazy and confusing decision by the Texas court, Weddington appealed to the case of the Supreme Court. Here, they argued again on May 21st and December 13th of 1971. Clearly they are women, so not only are they biased to the problem at hand, but they are also women. Ha 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 ha. Now, we completely exaggerated Floyd's slightly sexist opening joke for rhetorical purposes, but regardless, the Supreme Court did not appreciate the humor in such a serious case. The Supreme Court took a very long time deciding the case, mostly all behind closed doors as well, since the case was so controversial. During many of the hearings and outside the Supreme Court, protesters from both sides came to support. Finally, the court decided on January 22, 1993, in a 7-2 opinion, that the Ninth Amendment did in fact protect the individual's right to their own body, and that the government had no right to intrude, overturning Texas law and legalizing abortion as we know it today.